Page 20, slide 6. Use the substitution method to solve the following system of equations. What variable are you given? So right here, because the first equation is already solved for y, substitute and see what happens. Please write this down. So I'm going to replace y in my second equation with 2x minus 10. So again, I replace y with 2x minus 10. I then distribute the negative 5. So negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 10 is a positive 50. 2x minus 10x equals negative 8x. Now my goal is to solve for x or get x alone. So I'm first going to move the negative 50 to the other side. 18 minus 50 is a negative 32. To get x by itself, I divide both sides by negative 8 to get x equals 4. I now need to solve for y, so I'm going to write down y equals 2x minus 10. I now want to replace x with the number 4, so 2 times 4 minus 10. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So my final answer is x equals 4 and y equals negative 2, or the point parentheses 4, comma, negative 2. Slide 7. Use a substitution method to solve the system of equations. Solve the first equation for x. So no letter is already by itself, but there's no coefficient, there's no number in front of this x, so that's why I decided to get x alone. So I move x to the other side and I get x equals 4 minus 5y. Now solve the system below. Show your work and check your answer on the next page. So I start by writing down the second equation, 3x plus 10y equals 10, and then I replace x with 4 minus 5y. So now I'm going to solve for y. So I distribute the 3, so 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times negative 5y is negative 15y plus 10y equals 10. I'm going to combine like terms, so negative 15y plus 10y is negative 5y, so 12 minus 5y equals 10. I subtract 12 to the other side. 10 minus 12 is negative 2. I want to get y by itself, so I divide both sides by negative 5 to get the y equals 2 over 5. I now want to write down x equals 4 minus 5y and replace y with 2 over 5. So 4 minus 5 times 2 over 5. Negative 5 times 2 over 5 is a negative 2. 4 minus 2 is a positive 2. So the solution is x equals 2 and y equals 2 over 5. And now check your answer. So make sure to also do this every time. This way you are 100% sure that your answer is correct. Plug it into both equations. So this is my first original equation. I'm going to replace x with 2, y with 2 over 5, and I realize that it's equal. Same with the second equation. I replace x with 2, y with 2 over 5, and again it's equal, so that's how I know I found the correct solution. When might you use substitution method for solving one system? An equation that is already solved for one variable. An equation in which one of the variables has a coefficient of 1.